Welcome to TRIPP. Today's reflection will help to create a peaceful sense of well-being. Breathe with me. Time your breath with the flow. Connect with your breath, slowly breathing in and out. When you feel relaxed, look into the light, and we'll let the next phase of our journey begin. As you float through this space, feel the tension leaving your body. Now let's play a short game designed to focus your attention and generate a feeling of flow. Notice how you control the flight of the figures in front of you. Use the movement of your head to touch the spinning coins. We'll move on when you have finished this task. Now let's add some obstacles for you to avoid. Again, find and touch the spinning coins placed in between the obstacles to move to the next level. Your goal is to find rewards in the gaps. If you can learn to play in a calm and relaxed state, you can face many of life's challenges in a calm and relaxed state. The spaces between the objects are like the space between thoughts. In the gaps, you find peace. If your mind wanders, bring your attention to the experience unfolding around you. As you find yourself focused and relaxed, reflect upon a moment in your life when you felt truly happy. Perhaps it was a past feeling of true freedom, that moment after overcoming a huge challenge, the awe you felt at the beauty of nature, a deep connection with another person. Let yourself fall into the pure joy and happiness you felt in that moment, transcending time as you bring that joy to this moment right now. Let us close with a slow, tranquil breath in 3 parts. Breathe in, hold it, exhale slowly. Throughout your day, find moments to reconnect to that sense of well-being and wholeness that you feel here.
भाई बहुत बड़ी एक्सपीरियंस था यार।